Hi, my name's Dave and I'm apartment maintenance. Over the last 20 years, I've fixed hundreds of dishwashers that wouldn't drain when the cycle completes. I'm going to go over 6 fixes that have worked for me from most common to least common. Clogged drain filter and screen. If you're not scraping your plates before loading them into the dishwasher, you're going to clog up that drain filter pretty fast. The fix. If your dishwasher looks like this, you can just twist the filter out and lift up. Some of these also come with the screen. Just give it a slight bend and pull out. Rinse with hot water under the kitchen faucet in the sink, using soap and a brush as needed, and then reinstall that filter. If your dishwasher looks like this, there's a few 1/4-inch screws that you're gonna have to remove to access the filter and get in there and scrub that area. These types of filters are less likely to clog, but they can still cause slow draining if there's a bunch of debris in that area. Garbage disposal knockout plug. If your dishwasher drains into a garbage disposal that was recently installed, check to see if the knockout plug was removed. The fix? Remove the dishwasher hose and poke a screwdriver through the drain port. It should go all the way through. If it doesn't, remove the plug with a hammer and a screwdriver. The plug will pop into the disposal. Reinstall the hose and test. Inspect the dishwasher hose and disposal drain. The drain hole to the garbage disposal could be clogged, or the drain hose itself, or kinked, or the check valve in the drain hose could be blocked. The fix? Remove the drain hose from the garbage disposal. If clogged at the disposal, just push the blockage through. If it's down inside the drain hose, remove the drain hose from the drain pump itself. Using a wet vac, suck on the drainage side while plugging the hole on the other end of the dishwasher hose. You should feel suction. If not, you may cleverly have to blast some water through the hose to undo the blockage. Or better yet, just buy a new dishwasher drain hose. They run about $20 or so. Drain pump impeller blocked. On many new dishwashers, wine glasses will break inside of the dishwasher and the shards will somehow make it past the filter and they will make it into the impeller and stop the drain motor from working. If the drain pump just hums and it gets really hot, this may be the issue. The fix? Vacuum out all the standing water in the dishwasher. Turn off the power at the breaker or remove the plug. Remove the bottom cover. Locate your drain pump. Push down on the locking tab and twist to remove the drain pump. Some drain pumps may have 2 screws holding it in. Inspect the impeller and the drain pump area for glass or foreign objects. Less likely scenario is that the drain pump itself is bad. In that case, replace the drain pump. In an even less likely scenario, the control board is not sending the correct voltage to the drain pump. In that case, you'll have to replace the control board. Not something I've seen often. Dishwasher solenoid valve bad. Some GE models, the dishwashers use a solenoid to assist in draining. This is a very common failure, and you can actually see the solenoid in its failure state because it will usually melt itself. And the main reason they melt is from a faulty dishwasher timer. The fix? Replace the dishwasher solenoid and the timer. I made a video on how to do that right here. No high loop. Dishwasher drain hoses should rise from the ground up as high as possible to the top of the bottom of the countertop. Then they should drop into the disposal or the drain pipe. While many dishwashers have this pre-installed, they also recommend having a second one above the drain pipe, or better yet, install an air gap. This prevents water backflow from the garbage disposal. Let me know if any of these fixes helped fixing your dishwasher not draining, or if I missed any other causes, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. My name is Dave. Until the next one, hope to see you there.